8 discipline rules for parents of defiant kids. Children with oppositional defiant disorder are blatantly disobedient, disrespectful, and confrontational. Standard discipline doesn't work, so what do you do? 1. Treat before you punish. Never discipline your child for behaviors that are symptoms of ADHD. Opposition and defiance are sometimes neurological, not intentional. Once your treatment plan has impulsivity under control, you will know which acts are punishable. 2. Exercise away hostility. A potent tonic for the brain is daily physical exercise. It promotes healthy brain function and helps children control aggression. 3. Know your child's patterns. Note when and where your child's anger flares. Documentation may help identify triggers and suggest effective interventions. 4. Be clear about rules and consequences. Explain what behavior is expected and exactly what consequences your child will face for breaking the rules. Then consistently enforce those rules. 5. Stay cool-headed and under control. Instead of overreacting and teaching your child to fear mom or dad, breathe deep and be a model of how to behave when you're upset. 6. Use a code word like bubblegum. This is a private signal that tells your child to calm down. Your child can also use it to express that he is getting upset. Sometimes just the words no and stop can push an emotional child over the edge. 7. Stay positive. Boost your child's self-esteem by catching him behaving well and doling out praise. 8. Call in the professionals. In some cases, you may need outside help to reset the pattern of disruptive behavior in your home. Work with a behavioral psychologist to root out the cause of aggression.